the Origin Build Platform Removal Tool, compatible with Origin 2 and Origin 1 Plus build platforms, consisting of a handle, tray holder, and drip tray. Here are the tools and PPE you will see used in this video. The first configuration allows operators to use just the handle for removing a build platform. Press the handle button, align the pin of the handle with the Origin platform, insert to the center slot, and release the button to lock the handle in place. Loosen the quick release lever before pulling the platform from the printer. Pull away on the platform while pressing the handle button to remove platform. This configuration works with smaller parts or operators who need additional visibility to prints being removed. The next configuration, using handle, tray holder, and drip tray, can be used with most common build sizes of 170 millimeters in height or less. Insert a drip tray into the holder, align handle pin with platform and drip tray under the platform, press the button, insert, and release the button to remove the platform after releasing the quick release. Pull away on the platform while pressing the handle button to remove the platform. The last configuration is for taller print jobs up to 290 millimeters. Remove the handle by squeezing the lower clip and lifting on the handle. Use a 2.5 millimeter Allen key to remove the bolts holding the handle clip and extender to the tray holder. Slide the extender up until the arrows align for max model height, bolting the handle clip in this position. Snap the handle back into place for future use. To replace or clean the drip tray, remove the contaminated tray from the holder and replace with a new or clean tray.